Powerful juices that help burn fat and promote weight loss. Cucumber and lemon juice. Cucumber and lemon juice is a refreshing, hydrating drink that helps detoxify the body and supports fat loss. Cucumber is low in calories and rich in water, which aids in hydration and reduces bloating. Lemon is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting healthy digestion and boosting metabolism. This juice is also alkaline, helping balance the body's pH levels. Consuming it regularly can enhance weight loss efforts by promoting digestion and reducing appetite. Green apple and celery juice. Green apple and celery juice is a great low-calorie option that helps promote fat loss and improve digestion. Green apples contain fiber, which supports satiety and helps control hunger. Celery is rich in water and antioxidants, which can help flush out toxins and reduce water retention. This juice also contains minerals like potassium, which helps maintain proper fluid balance. The combination boosts metabolism and supports a healthy gut, aiding in weight management. Ginger and lemon juice. Ginger and lemon juice is a potent fat-burning combination known for its ability to boost metabolism and improve digestion. Ginger stimulates the digestive system and has thermogenic properties, which increase calorie burning. Lemon, on the other hand, is rich in antioxidants and can help detoxify the body, further supporting fat loss. This juice also helps reduce bloating and curb hunger. Drinking it in the morning can kickstart metabolism and promote a feeling of fullness throughout the day. Beetroot and carrot juice. Beetroot and carrot juice is an excellent fat-burning drink packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Beets help improve liver function, aiding in detoxification, while carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which helps regulate metabolism. The natural sugars in beets and carrots provide an energy boost without causing blood sugar spikes. This juice also promotes good digestion and reduces cravings. Regular consumption can help support healthy fat loss while boosting overall energy levels. Pineapple and mint juice. Pineapple and mint juice is a delicious and refreshing option that promotes fat loss by improving digestion and metabolism. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and reduce bloating. The mint leaves add a cooling effect and help soothe the digestive tract, making it easier to digest food. The high water content of both ingredients also helps hydrate the body, reducing hunger and promoting fullness. This juice can be a great addition to your weight loss routine.